Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Novel AI application on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the web browser and then in the address bar type in novelai.net and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Novel AI website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, you will find the login button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it and you will be asked to use your email address and your password to log into your account. After typing in both of these, you will be logged in to your Novel AI dashboard. Now after you have gained access to the dashboard page, you can install the application by clicking on the three dots at the top right corner and then scroll down to save and share. Now from this page, if you find the install button, go ahead and tap on it and then you can click on install once again. As soon as you click on this, the Novel AI application will open up in its own application window. And now you can use this as a separate application. You will also find the shortcut for this in your desktop. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the Novel AI application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.